Wow. You guys just saw that I had such a good time on that little bloody the Supreme Coleman bike. I've never even rode it before. Like, I've always wanted to ride it. I rode little dirt bikes and stuff. And basically, I'm out here at Project Blitz in LA. And Dre basically hooked his Supreme Coleman up to the rip. Like, look at this stuff. He really just put it on straight steroids. So we had a little mess around with that. And well, look at this place. I'm out here, Project Blitz LA. I swear to God, I could do like 5, 6, 7, 10, 100 videos on this place. I just have to show you a few little bits. You see this right here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 7 BAPE chairs. These chairs go for like 2.5, 3 bands each. I swear to God. Oh wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more BAPE chairs. What? You see how I was just riding the Supreme Coleman bike? Well, basically he maxed that one out stupidly on steroids because he has another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Coleman bike. 5 Coleman Supreme bikes, 1 on complete steroids. I wish I could do like an hour-long video in this place. Also, guys, I've got a new lens on my camera too, so tell me how you like that. But let's just show you some more heat that we got here. You see these right here? These are the Iron Maiden SB Dunks. Now, there's only 24 of those in existence. Here's one. Here's another pair. Here's another one. They have 7, well, Dre at Project Blitz, they have 7 pairs of the 24. I'm in the vault right now. The vault is just like the creme de la creme, heaven of just this whole culture as a whole. Like, undefeated 4s, worn, just no problems. See this? Eminem Carhartt 4s, DS, could lick the soul of those right there. Kobe pack right here, you know, just chilling. What else do we have here on display? Wow. You see these right here? Yeezy samples. These ones are worn by Kanye right here. These are UK 11, US 12, that's Kanye's size. He wore those on tour. And then if that wasn't enough, they have the original sample right here with the orange inside that doesn't fade at all. Icy Soul, could look that right there. This literally doesn't stop. Where else? What else did Dre show me earlier that was just, you see this right here? Kanye West. This was Kanye West's first ever shoe he made. The graduation bear right there. First ever shoe. His size 2, of course. Guys, I swear to God, it just gets crazier and crazier in here. For sure, 100%. Please, please, please smash a like on this video if you want to see more videos in this place. We can do a full Supreme collection that they have here. Look, just LV. Right here is one of every Supreme item that we have. So look, Forks fur right here from a couple seasons ago. The red version, obviously, like even all down to like the new stuff, right? They get one of every single colorway. Denim trucker jacket, the camo version, these camo pants right here. Box logos for absolute day. Oh, that's not even the box logo. Wow. LV box logo, pink, blue. Here's what's this? A peach. Oh, speaking of peach, speaking of the peach box logos, look at this. I was just walking around, you know, just minding my own business in this place. We have a sage. We have a peach. We have another sage. We have actually another... Bro, this is stupid. Rolling on my arm, Gucci, Gucci on my belt. Another sage. Another sage. Another sage. What's this? 2 more peaches? Yep. 2 more peaches. 1, 2. Then that's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's as if this box is nothing. This is literally just a random box, like, just in, you know, in the middle of stuff. This isn't like, ooh, guys, this is our heat area with, you know, 7 peaches, a random box. Now, one of my personal favorite Jordans that I own in my collection is the Cause Jordan 4, right? It is one of my favorite shoes that I own. Let me just show you. I'm trying to get it out right here, look. That's a Cause Jordan, right? Right here, right? Okay. So you see the Cause Jordan, right? Okay, one of my favorites. Are you witnessing this? Are you actually witnessing how many bloody pairs we have in? Okay, yeah, also I've got a zoom lens now, so I'm kind of liking it, but should we try and count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 1 completely DS like it's absolutely nothing. Bro, what? Just more boxes of Supreme. Like literally, Project Blitz and Dre just get everything. Down to literally rugs. IKEA Off-White obviously just released. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another one over there. Look at it. Another one over there, 8. These things only released in Paris, and obviously they have 8 of them in LA. No problems. I really want a keep off-white rug. I really do. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe I'll work something out with Trey. I don't know. Oh my god. It just doesn't stop. Look. This is like every Supreme hat ever. Literally. Bro, what? How many? The accessories. What's in here? Simpson helmets, both colors. Okay, Simpson helmets.
Just look how many goddamn like accessories. These are what?
What is this? Probably ashtrays.
These are probably plates, the license plates right here.
Yeah, the new ones.
Yeah.
Here, put this back. Blimps. Like just all the pens from recently. All the scales right here. Wow, look, all the beanies. Oh, last season's beanies, look. Definitely, guys, when I come back to LA, 100 million%, I'm gonna hit up Dre and just basically, we're gonna do this properly. We're gonna come back for the whole day and just show you everything, bro. Look at this, it's 2 TNFs for days. Sorry, brother. Leopard yellow, leopard green, BAM jacket, fur with no sleeves. Mountain. Oh, here's all this parka. So we got green TNF fleece, blue, red, black, pullover, black, green, blue, yellow. Mountain parka. I actually like this yellow. Should have done a fit pick with this outside McDonald's. What a vibe that would have been. All Stone Island jackets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Non-stop.
You got all the data going.
And just like, what? Just finding stuff everywhere. Look at that. Just finding stuff, dude. What's that? Oh, yep, just found that. What's that? Oh, killer t-shirts they just released last week. What else? Pants, beanies. It's just non-stop. Pillows. What else? Here. What's this? All the recent killer tees. Look how many. Dre just decides to whack out one of many tubs. We're gonna just rummage through this one real quick, and yeah, we'll keep this as a little sneak peek for next time. So pink, red, season desist, LV beanies. This is just like heaven. This is like what I should do for fun on a weekly basis. Just rummage through Supreme. Wow.
Yeah, we used to have all these boxes in here.
No way, stop. Just in the bottom, just like, oh. Wow. Do you even remember half the stuff you get?
Yeah.
Or have?
Yeah, of course.
Like, did you know that that's just hidden somewhere?
We knew there's some, but yeah, we don't know which tub it is on purpose, so no one can find it.
I like that. Wow, red bandana. What was it? I was just asking you this the other day. If it was 2011 or 12. I feel like
I forgot. I think it was 12.
Yeah. I wish I could have that jacket.
Actually, I wonder if it's 12 or I think it's 13.
It could
actually.
be 13. Yeah.
I think it's 13. The Supreme Dunk High beanies.
Yeah. Look at that.
That's flames.
Damn, I haven't seen it.
It's the set in the bag. I like that.
Look at that shirt. James Jebbia
Damn.
on the
Two
fucking
of
tip.
them. That's fire. That color too. Oh, another one gray. Another one tan. Oh,
Charlie
that's not it.
Chaplin.
That's not that.
Charlie Chaplin too. Super old.
Yeah, I've never seen that one. Charlie Chapter. That's ridiculous. This is so fun. This should be like a daily hobby of mine.
Oh, there goes something for you.
Oh my god. Oh my god. We can't even get in there.
You know what that was, right?
No.
You don't know what that was?
No.
But you don't want to get in there.
You definitely gotta get in here. Oh wow.
Oh my god, what a vibe.
Wow.
Damn.
Look at that one. Was there more colors of this?
They're in there.
We gotta find her.
The black one's in there.
We gotta find him. Oh. Gray on great. Remember how long I was trying to buy this
My
with your
boy,
friend?
yeah.
He still has it?
No, longer.
What a scab. Black one is so nice. Damn, a red one. Look at the set right there. Black.
Vibe.
So how much do these Hennessy goes for, really and truly?
It's pretty heavy. Pretty heavy. Not like the red, not like the red North Face, but definitely
Boom.
heavy.
There's like half these tees never even seen, way before my time.
And this is just one.
Yep. Oh my god, no way. Stop. First ever TNF Supreme?
No way.
Yeah.
That's just DS as well.
The other one's in there as well, they dropped on the same day.
Are they both DS?
Yeah, bro.
Oh my god. Bro, how do you have things like that DS?
20.
What?
2009 or 10.
I can't remember.
Killer jacket. The colors on that, look at that, like kind of like a leopard print in there, like on the inside of the jacket. This is just jackets that I just know I'll never own. Makes me upset. So basically, like, we pulled a random box, right? Just a random box out of any box. We found the first ever Supreme TNF, both colorways. Gray on grey crew, just a bandana red pullover, 3 Hennessy jerseys, 3 James Jebbia t-shirts, and that was just one random box out of many. You see, with pieces like that, like the first ever TNFs, did you buy those at the time? Or did you think, shit, I might as well go back
I can't
and
even buy
this?
those things right now.
Yeah, no way.
It's impossible.
So,
Buying those things right now, it's like, what's the point? Buying 5 and
yeah. So what, you bought them back then?
for us was yeah. These are like all from before we started in here, you know.
Yeah. That's crazy, dude, honestly.
But I mean, we're always still buying, so anybody out there, just you know.
No, honestly, guys, please go check out Project Blitz. Dre's honestly the man, I swear to God. Next time we're in LA, we'll do something crazy. We'll come here, we'll spend a full day, and yeah, we'll blow your minds even more, honestly. So
Just one box.
that was one box.
There's like 10, like 20 behind you. Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah, let's
fam,
go.
I have a flight to catch.
Literally.
Literally.
It's 4:11. His flight's at
Yeah,
5.
I gave you the fucking threshold,
It's
so
at
now it's up to you.
5:30.
Alright, yeah, that's right. Let's go. We just checked in 1 minute before possible, right? Correct?
Every time you fly, you are late or you don't get it.
I'm not late, we're on time.
Yeah, but you normally miss every
We are
flight.
exactly on time because obviously, guys, we had to film that video at Project Blitz. Now, sorry. Callum, go, drop the bag. Just that one, just the Supreme TNF one. Look how sexy that is, wow. Anyways, guys, this is the end of our trips in LA. So, make sure you subscribe right now. And please go and check out Project Blitz LA. Like, they didn't pay me or anything. They didn't give me in exchange for like me being there, nothing like that. Like, Dre is just a real dude. And he's an OG in the game. Like, I remember watching him. He was on a documentary that was on Netflix about sneakerheads, and I remember watching that like a few years back and just thinking like, wow, that's so sick. And now like he's inviting me to come to his warehouse, and it's crazy, bro. It's honestly crazy. So please go and show him some love. Dre as well, thank you so much for letting me come to the store, to the secret warehouse location. Callum?
It's been a vibe, guys. We're not even gonna miss this plane, so let's hurry up.
We're not gonna miss it, fam.
In 2 seconds, G.
We're not gonna miss it. No, Callum, you just trying to outro my video. I'm outroing the video right now by saying, I've been your boy, Ari Petru. Please, I just lost my suitcase. Okay. Biggest L. Please do subscribe right now. Smash a like on this video as well. Let's try and get this video to 3,000 likes. I've never asked for a like goal that high, but let's try and do it, and then I'll do so much more videos at Project Blitz LA. Follow me on Instagram at Ari Petru right now. I'll leave it down below. Peace out.